mere 24.6 feet by... The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Rockingham County, Caswell County, the city of Danville, southern Pittsylvania County, southern Halifax County, the city of Martinsville, Henry County, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 11:47 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rainfall rates as high as 2 inches per hour across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen, with an additional inch or two possible over the next hour or so. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Danville, Reedsville, Martinsville, South Boston, and Wentworth. The National Weather Service in Raw has issued a flood warning for the Dan River at Pace, calling toll-free at 1-866. The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a flash flood warning for Surrey County in northwestern North Carolina, Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, western Stokes County, Yadkin County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Carroll County in southwestern Virginia, southeastern Grayson County in southwestern Virginia, Patrick County in southwestern Virginia, until 6 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Thursday at 11:52 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 2 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen, with an additional inch or so possible over the next few hours. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Mount Airy, North Wilkesboro, Elkin, Wilkesboro, and Fairview.